Hey guys, so today we are going to discuss about Google Keep. Now what this Google Keep is, Google Keep helps you to create the notes on the cloud, access them anytime and anywhere. Now in this particular thing we are going to discuss about how you can create notes, how you can add lists and checkbox to the notes, and how you are going to categorize your notes and help them with the labels, and how you can highlight the notes with the colors. So let's get started. Now when I click here on the notes, and when I click here new list, so it is going to create the list. Now suppose I am going to create a note of website designing, so I am typing here website designing. Now, when I type website designing includes so many things, like it includes images. The person has to search for the images, and then we need the content, text content we need. So I am writing here content. Then another thing we need is like you need some domain, so I am writing the domain, and I need the hosting to create the website. I need to install the WordPress on the website. So I have created this particular note, and if you want to hide this checkbox, hide this tick box, so you can hide this as well. So this is one note I can create. Similarly, one another note I want to create, I can create it like this here only. So if I want to create another note for some, for example, for the business, HR function of the business. So I am typing here HR. Now HR has to call the peoples, like first of all they will call various different peoples. Then when the person is called, so then they will invite them, and they take the interviews, take interviews. I am typing here take interviews. Then after taking the interviews, they will give them some particularly offer letter. So I am typing one activity as offer letter. So these are the main three activities the HR has to do. So now one another thing you can do in this Google Keep, this is the tool which you use to make the notes. Now what another thing you can do using this Google Keep, you can simply add the labels over here. So this is the particle web particularly thing of your business. So I am creating a label of web here. So the other thing, I am creating the label of HR over here, add label, and keep it as HR label, create one new label as HR. Now what will happen when you click on HR, you will see all the particular notes or all the particular tasks you have created for the HR. And when you click on web, you can keep see all the particular notes related to web designing. If you click on notes, you will be seeing all the particularly notes. So one another thing you can do, you can simply make the color. Suppose you want to make HR as pink color, so you can add the color over here. And suppose you want to keep the website designing as the red color. Suppose this is a hot project you are working on, and something which are on hold, so on hold or you are not working, so you can keep them yellow color. Or something which you are working on right now, it is work in progress, so you can keep them green. So this is how you can use the Google Keep. Now, and yet another important thing is to add the collaborators in the Google Keep. You can add the collaborators, click on collaborators and search for the email ID. Like here I am searching for my another email ID, and add this email ID as a collaborator. Now what will happen, now here you can see the images appeared. What will happen, you can add the collaborators over here, and they can also see the notes available or see the notes created by you. Suppose they want to check off this list, like say you have assigned this web designing particular thing to some person. Say I have assigned this particular thing to some on some my other ID. So I am making it Umang Manocha 011 at gmail.com. So now what will happen, like you when you have added this person over here, now what he can do, he can simply check off this list. He can change the particular things, say show tick box, and suppose he has collected the images for the website designing, he will select this. And when he have purchased the domain and hosting, he can simply complete the tasks from here, and you can see that whether he has done the activities or not. This is how you can keep the track of the particularly things, and you can make the use of this for your personal purposes also. Like you want to drink the water after 2 hours or after 1 hour or after particularly some stipulated time period. So you can use this, you can add the peoples, you can use this for such use for particular things. So this is how we use the Google Keep. And HR web or other labels you can add. Some important yet another functions are like you can add the reminders. If I keep click on remind me, there are two options of reminder. One is select place and other is select date and time. So if I select the select place, then what will happen, whatever location you have added, when you reach that location it will show you the notification. Or if you select the select date and time, what will happen when you particularly select the date and time, it will show you the notification on that exact time. And if you are opening the Google Keep on your mobile as well, and with the same email ID you have added in the Google Keep in your mobile, so then it will show you notification on your mobile as well. So I am selecting the date and time, and I am selecting repeated daily. So daily it will show me a notification at morning 8, and I am saving it. So this is showing the next is today 8 p.m. And this is how you can add the reminders. I have told you collaborators you can add, you can change the colors, you can add the image. Say let me select the image over here, and now let me select some other image. I am selecting this image, and an image can be added here like this. So you can add different images, you can use it for the particularly remembrance purpose, like things you want the ideas. So it is also said that the goals you have written are the goals which can be easily achieved for you or easily achieved by you. So you can write down all your goals, and whenever that goal is done you can tick off that. Or when you are striking the goals, you are particularly inner urge to achieve the higher goal will also get boosted. So this is how you can use this delete note easily. You can delete this note over here, and change labels, you can change the label here. Add drawing is another important function. You can add the drawing. If I am clicking on this add drawing function, now suppose I want to make two peoples. I have created this body of the person, and I have created, sorry for my bad drawing, this is the face of the person, and this is the legs of the person suppose, and this is the hands of the person. So why I am using the legs from the sides, because legs are always from the sides. You can check off, like some people create the legs in between. The thing which comes in between is not called legs. So this is another face and another particularly body I am using this, and these are the legs I am creating. And suppose you want to make this as a girl, so you can simply make like this. And if you want to show some aunt and something, you can make a bun over here on the hairs, and this is how you can particularly, these are the hands, and you want to show some authority, so this is how you can keep the hands over here. And now what will happen if I click on the back, and if I close it, so it will show the design over here. Like this is how you can make that drawing as well on your Google Keep. So other features are add drawing, make a copy, you can make the copy of this, and grab image text. Like this is the good option. If you want to grab the image text, it will grab the image text as well. Like when I click here, you will be seeing, like let's click over here, and you will be seeing the image text will be written like this. You cannot control the behavior of others, but you can always choose how you respond to it. Royalty Bennett. So this is how you can extract the text of the image as well in the particularly Google Keep. Now copy to Google Docs. You can also copy this list to the Google Docs. How that can be done? Like click on this copy to Google Docs. When you click on copy to Google Docs and you go to your Google Docs, now it is copying to the Google Docs, and you will be seeing like it will show now open Google Docs. Once it is opened, it will be clear to you like how it is showing the things to you in the Google Docs. Like this is the image of that particular which we have added, it will be coming, and this is the particular. HR list you have created. So you can on anyways keep it in the Google Docs. You can send across in the emails things you want to keep in the Google Keep. So this is the best tool to use, Google Keep. I want you all to use this particular tool and make most of the use of this particular tool. It will help you to achieve your particularly goals, and it will help you to achieve your business goals and personal goals as well. And this is all from my side. So anything you want to ask, you can simply ask me in the comment section, and I will be replying all your particularly doubts and queries. Thank you so much.